Hello everyone, and welcome to the COCC guide on using Yuja Panorama's OCR tool. This tool is available to instructors using Canvas here at COCC, and is a way to convert documents into more accessible formats for your students. The tool works by using OCR, or optical character recognition, to scan a document using pattern matching algorithms to detect the words within and then creating a new document in a more accessible format. In order to access the OCR tool, you'll need to navigate to a course in Canvas and find a document that you would like to remediate. Here, you can see that I have a lot of files with a red accessibility indicator, which suggests that they may not be accessible to students. When I click on this red indicator, I can see that the file is indeed not accessible. Rather than trying to completely recreate the file, instead, I'm going to go down to the OCR options. I have quite a few available to me, but the ones that we're most interested in at the moment are the OCR overlaid tagged PDF and the OCR reconstructed docx. Which one you initially pick will be somewhat dependent on what you're trying to do with the document. If you want students to be able to edit it, choosing the docx format will allow them to open it in Microsoft Word and other similar programs. If you are just needing students to be able to view the document, choosing the tagged PDF format will be sufficient. Either way, once you've decided which format you prefer, use the Generate option to create a new document. This process can take a few minutes, so we'll cut back to it after it's finished generating the documents. Alright, as you can see now, we have documents available to download. I'll click that download link for both, and then we're going to re-upload them to Canvas by adding them to our module again. If the documents are located within a page, you'll need to re-add them to the page and remove the old document. The accessibility score for each document takes a few minutes to process, so we'll cut away again until that's ready. Now you can see that our new documents have been uploaded and have accessibility scores. Notice that they still aren't perfect, but they're much better than they were before, and now we know exactly what we need to fix. Yuja even offers recommendations for how to fix some issues, and some issues it can even fix for you if you follow the prompts on screen. For now, try to fix the things that Yuja helps you out with first, and as we get more information about the things Yuja doesn't help you to fix, more trainings or tools may be needed to fix the rest. Hopefully this video helps you to get started on your accessibility journey. Please note, if you're updating files because a student requested an accommodation, please check in with the Disability Services Office before you proceed. ADA accommodations are different for each student and might need a special approach compared to regular document fixes. The staff at Disability Services can help you with this process. Thanks for watching, and if you need more information around digital accessibility in Panorama, please check out our website at cocc.edu/departments/elearning.